I chose the theme park project because I felt like out of all of the projects that we did, this project was the one that required the most interaction with the game. What did I learn and use for my project? Um, During class, I learned about while loops and pseudocode, which I used in my project. While loops are used to help with repeating a section of code, and pseudocodes are there to help plan and map out the code to make it easier and give a sense of direction. Code examples. This is what um in the projects what the a part of the while loops looks like, and it basically repeats from where it says print and then quotation marks all the way to under where it's um prints for dash leave, or no, all the way to choice equals input, what do you want to do, and it keeps on looping this part. And then for pseudocodes, it's where it says start with 100 tickets, or uh like these with the hashtags, and it basically it doesn't affect the code because it's just there so you can see it, and like it can help you um kind of remember what you're supposed to do. um Demo. This is the theme park project, and then when I run it, first it tells me that I have 100 tickets, and then I have four options. One is to buy 100 tickets, two is to spin the wheel for 10 tickets, three is to ride a roller coaster for 50 tickets, or four to leave the theme park, and then ask me what I want to do. So then I would enter one, two, three, or four. And then since I chose one, then it's means that I bought 100 tickets, so now I have, so it says now that I have 200 tickets, and repeat, and because of the while loop, it repeats this part again, and then so then I can choose again. And then if I chose to spin the wheel, then it takes off from the 200 that I have. It takes off 10 tickets. So now it shows I have 190 tickets. And then it repeats again, so then I can choose again. And then if I chose 3, which is to ride a roller coaster for 50 tickets, then it takes off 50. So now from 190, so now I have 140 tickets. And then when I'm done, and then the last option is to leave the theme park. So then when I type in 4, it shows I left the theme park, and then it prints out goodbye. um Favorite, my favorite part about working on this project was getting to play and like respond or like interact with the project, like when I run the project after it was completed, because it's fun interacting with the project, and it's also, it feels nice knowing that I had successfully completed a project. um how to improve my projects. If I were to continue working on this project, I would add a digital imaging to this project to make it more fun and entertaining. um this, it's basically like I would like to, cuz right now if I run the code and then I like interact with it, it kind of, I can only like responds to the code and stuff, and I can't really like have any like imaging of what the game looks like. So then if I were to continue working on this project by adding like a digital imaging, it can like create like a visual for me to see what the game would like look like. I would also like to add a variety of different types of rides and attraction, instead of just there being like the third option of ride a roller coaster. I feel like there could be like different choices of roller coasters and rides that would cause different amount of tickets. And same with like spinning the wheel, there can be like other like food stands or stuff. Um, and lastly is I would also like to add like a timer to the game so that it ends after a certain amount of time, or if I run out of tickets, or if they if I can make it so that it limits a certain amount of ticket that I can buy. Because right now you can keep on choosing option one and then you would just keep on gaining tickets. But then if there is a certain amount of ticket that you can reach and then that's all you can buy, then it would actually have like an end to the game. That's it. Thank you.